Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop notifications on Chrome on your laptop. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, best way to do this is open up a Google Chrome. Now once we've opened up a Google Chrome, we want to click onto the three dots on the top right hand corner of the page. Then from here click into settings. Now we should be taken over to the settings page on our Google Chrome. Then from here, click onto the privacy and security settings, and on the right, look for site settings. Now under permissions, we've got the option for notifications, so click into that. And then if we scroll down, we can see all of our notification settings. Now under default behavior, so sites automatically follow this setting when you visit them. So at the moment mine's set to sites can ask to send notifications, but we can go ahead and check that to click on don't allow sites to send notifications. And then once we've done that, that should automatically save to Google Chrome. Now another thing what we can do is click onto your search bar, type in settings, get into your system settings. Then from here, click onto systems tab. Now on the right, click onto notifications. Now from here where it says notifications, get notifications from apps and other senders, you can go ahead and disable that.